Perfect time!
Number 5. Kicking off the top 5 list at number 5, Christopher Carty, aka Toda. After taking a short break, we saw Toda returning to the 2023 race season.
I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
Disco time.
Number 4. In the number 4 position, we have Roel Barnett, aka Bali, with a PB of 10.721. Number 3. Coming in at number 3 on the All Motor list is Chris Diornellas, aka Project X.
So we are here with Project X. Officially 10, what's your best for today?
10-7.
10-7.
Get them, Reggie.
You're going to use this time for the weekend?
No, I'm going to run again tomorrow.
Going again tomorrow?
We need a few adjustments.
Yeah.
So we should get low in the 10s.
Okay.
We'll make another run in the morning and see how it works out.
Team Project X is here in the building already. Right, Onir, Chris. How's the vibe so far?
Good man.
Yeah?
Yeah man, we're here to see what we can do.
Looking forward to a great weekend.
Great weekend. It's going to be epic.
What do you mean by that? That one there was a violation.
All the best. See you
All
tomorrow.
right, thank you.
Big up.
Number 2. Second fastest on the all motor list is Onir Gallow with his J series powered Honda Civic.
Why? We are here with the flyby boss himself.
Went out the second time.
Yeah.
Car did a 15160 foot, but I driver error and I damaged third gear.
Sometimes it may be good, sometimes it may be
So I just need to replace third gear in the transmission.
Yeah.
And we'll move back. That was the first 2 passes on that car. So it's just basically getting data.
All right, Onir. Bless up. Cool. Respect.
Number 1. In the number 1 position is Linroy Burton with a PB of 10.119. Coming out the second event and moving to number 1 spot is definitely an accomplishment. Congratulations, Linroy Burton.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
Stop it.
To order our products, visit our website at www.876streetsgears.com.
Who almost made it to the top 5 list? Number 6. Coming in at number 6 is Yan Chin. Yan is the driver of this well-prepared Honda Civic EG. Unfortunately, Yan was only able to make it to one event for 2023.
Coming up next on 876 Streets.
Go against a goat, that's bad business. All the yellow jokes so sad with it. To me, you just a ghost, don't get mad with me. Just, it's a mine, gotta get already. Not selling mine. You on the, y'all moving, ready to, whoa.